What's up, everybody? It is a new day and we need to finish up knocking up these side skirt extensions and then get inside and wrap. So it's been a while and it is a new day and we are still working on the side skirt extensions. The last time you guys saw me, I was on the passenger side mocking up everything, but now we are almost done with the driver's side. So I got this whole thing mocked up, all the holes drilled out, and all we really need to do is make the front braces. I'm gonna knock that out. Finally, on the wrap table, aka dining table. And here we have some more stuff. So, just gotta clear off this table. Not super clean. So I got my heat gun and the X-Acto blade. I'm gonna go lay out this wrap and see how much I need. So, I guess we'll start off with the small stuff. We have 8 pieces total. These are the smaller ones. And I want it to go that way. Where's my knife? So I'm gonna do both sides of these and want to make sure the surface is clean as F before you wrap it. So, doing both sides, so I'm gonna hit this side, flip it over. This is the driver's side. I know it because this side has a hole in it. We already wiped this side down. So I'm gonna use this piece to wrap the 2 super small pieces and this one big piece, smallish big piece. Boom. I think I just set this side. There we go. I cut it kind of straight, so we'll just go. And I'll also use this to wrap these 2 small pieces. Go. Arts and crafts on a Sunday morning. Boom, boom, boom. Push it all the way around all the corners, nice and tight, no air bubbles. It's really easy because these pieces are all flat. It's one reason why I like wrapping them. It takes a lot of time, especially if you want it to be perfect, but it's worth it. These will be behind the panel anyway, so only if you really try to see imperfections, you're gonna find something. There we go. Same thing on this one. This has a lot of extras, so. I'll use this guy to go over it really fast. Push out the air bubbles. Okay. Remove the silver wrap. It's fairly flat. Don't see many imperfections on here. Awesome. But anything. Push down, sections. Alright, and that's basically how we're gonna do this whole thing. So let's time lapse the rest. Alright guys, and that's it for the side skirt extension wrap. Now we're gonna go move back to the garage. So I'm just gonna go move everything from in the house over here onto this table and we're gonna put it together, rivet it all up, and then mount it to the side skirts, put it onto the car, and we're good to go. Let's time lapse the process. have it. We got one ready. I'm gonna go throw it onto the car. There we go. That one's on. That one's for that other side. But we're gonna hang these two. Then we're gonna hang the other two. Hey, front panel's on. It's automatic. Five more. Holy Jesus. Look at this, look at this. So the hardest part that I took some time on was where it bridges over here. I wanted it to be the same direction and everything with each other, which I think we achieved. Let's go time lapse the other side, pull this thing out the garage, and check it out. Let's finish the other side. So as you guys saw, last minute decided to sand this down. I'm gonna wrap over this section. You guys are wondering why I always have black cars, because it's cheap fixes when there's damage on paint and you barely notice it. So I'm just gonna go wrap over this black section with some black wrap. Hopefully it's not too visible. Even if it is, I'm sure it's better than that huge white scratch that was there. So let's go wrap this up real quick, then we can go and throw this thing on. There we go. Yo. Now, I got the clip up front, and you can see that's solid, but back here, still got some play. So we're gonna go take this clip, put it underneath here. Let's see if you guys can see it. Oh, I can't even, gotta get on the floor. There we go. Boom. Solid as a rock. All right, maybe not a rock, but it's pretty solid. And you can't even tell up here where I wrapped it anymore. Wow, turned out great. There, now you can see the wrap. Go far? Nope, not even bothered. All right, now we're gonna go throw this one onto the other side. There we go. And it's good. All right. this project is finished. So as you guys can see, it is very ugly out. So ugly. And yeah, that's all I'm gonna show you. So that's it. Hopefully you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.